Oh, hey, good morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. 5 below 0. You gotta love it. I mean, what? Hey, look at that. I love this follow me mode. Anyway, today we're going to work some more on this ladder slash stairway. The first thing I gotta do is take it in and stain it and get that all prettied up. I am also going to be having a handrail. Some of you had asked about that. I neglected to mention it. Very important. And then there'll also be up here a railing so that people don't like fall over the precipice. You know what I'm saying? That would be bad. So first thing, we'll take that inside. And then after the first thing, or before the first thing, I have some surprises coming. I'm so excited about this. A couple of unboxing collaborations. They're really cool. One is very unique that will be used in the tiny house. The other is very unique and will be for fun, outside and inside, mostly outside. Looking forward to that. That'll be coming up within the next couple of weeks. I haven't done an unboxing collaboration for quite a while because I have become very selective about the quality. I want to make sure that it's really top notch. So that's something to look forward to. Let's get this thing going. We'll pull the stairs off. Hopefully they don't all fall apart. Let's put them right here. Come on. None of them are real super loose. There's one. Three, dee, da 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 da. Oh. All right, I guess you just stay in there, right? Right. Gonna be struggling just taking it apart. These have been outside overnight, so they got cold again. I need to take them in and warm them up. So we'll do that, and then we'll get on to it. I brought the boards in. If the previous video, I had made marks. I think you may not be able to see that, but this is going to set up on where the fender well is of the trailer. So I need to cut this off at the same 15-degree angle here, and then these are the two top stringers that will be up on the loft, and there's a little notch I have to take out of both of those. So I'm going to take care of that first before I stain, and then we're good to go. I love this switch that somebody sent. Right here is the cut. I need to redesign that a little bit because we want 3/4 of an inch. Same on this one. And also, to see my saw cut, I'm just going to draw a line here. I'm using a circular saw for this. I'm just holding that at an angle so I can get a 3/4 inch depth all the way across there. Hey, I think I need a new saw blade. I'm getting smoke off of that thing. Okay, finish this with a jigsaw. I'm just going to go out real quickly, try these out there, and make sure everything fits. I won't bring you along on this journey, but I'll be right back. And it begins the staining process. What can you really talk about? Excuse me, I got the hiccups. When you're staining, I mean, wow. So I'll get this done. Probably a couple hours to let this dry. I'm getting really low on stain. I don't know if I'm going to have to buy another gallon or not. So anyway, I'll finish staining, and we'll be back once it's ready to put in, to install. I've got to stain all the stair treads as well. I'll stain, and now we'll let it dry. Excuse me, hiccups. Let it dry, and then we can go put it together. Maybe looking at my watch, I don't even have on. Maybe another hour. Well, they're dry. Eins, zwei, drei. I'm going to attach the treads to this one before I put it. It does fit really well, by the way. Just to try it. Goes right there. Snug as a bug in a rug. So I'm going to attach all these treads, and then I'll secure this. And then we'll bring the other one up alongside of it. So let's get down. Watch out, pup. Watch out. Are you ready for this, puppy dog? This is pretty exciting. Going to put the good side up. That's right. Okay. Wow. I wonder if the stain, that shouldn't have added that much thickness to it. Going to make the tread flush, the top of the tread flush with the edge of the stringer. What are you helping? Somebody really wants help? Oh, that's better. Am I in your way? Oh, Kaya, you are funny. All right. That is a snug one. There it goes. One more. One more. Kaya says, that sounds good to me. One more. Okay, So actually, I'm going to put this one on before I put it up in place. I think it'll go a lot simpler. Are we ready, puppy? We'll stand it up. Where is it? What did you do with it? See how easy this goes. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. I need a bludgeoning instrument and something so I don't mark it up. Good. Okay, good. All right. So now I'm going to run screws inside, under the tread, up into the stringer. That's my story anyway. Yeah, that's my story. Interesting how these bar clamps are 1.5 inches too short of reaching the final destination. All right. So I'm going to do it this way because I just want to draw it in. Hammer time. Do 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 do. You can't touch this. Wow. I really want to get those snug, right? Let's try this. So I'm here to tell you, these have been going together rather difficultly. But I think I've got the best of it now, I think. I'll be putting three screws in like this. I can't get that one right now because of the pipe clamp, but I'll come back to it. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. We're almost ready to go up. This is the last tread. Does that look okay, Kaya? Is it okay? She checks out everything. There we go. What a beautiful face. One that only a mother could love. Okay, stairs are assembled. It's a little bit heavier. It's not terrible, but I think we're ready to put this up. It's the equivalent of basically 3.5 2x6/8 studs plus me. And one stringer shorter than the other. And there it is. Oh, yeah. It's not secured yet, but it's mostly secured. That's a pretty comfortable step. It's like going up a ladder, so that's not bad. Dust those off. I won't be using those very often because I don't want to wear. They should probably have some sort of carpet or something for pads on these. That would be nice. The other thing, I left a little allowance for flooring, so this will come off pretty easily, and then I'll do the flooring and then put those back in place. So now, well, that's unfortunately all the time I have today. It took a long time. I was surprised to get it all stained, get it to dry, and then putting it together was a bit of a bugger. So anyway, I still need a handrail, and I have to put a railing all the way up here for protection. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, leave a comment, hit the like button, share it, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot. See you later. You ready, Kaya? Let's go.